Hi guys, Paul from Simon Horn Van Sales here again. Today we have a 2011 Vauxhall Combo in blue. This has actually got a refrigeration unit in the back of it. It was previously owned by Scottish Water, and Scottish Water has been the only owners of the vehicle. It's in good condition, a little van. It's covered 107,000 miles. Just give you a quick run round. The MOT is until September 19. I'll show you inside here. As I say, it's covered 107,000 miles. Inside's very clean and tidy. As I say, in the rear here, it's got the refrigeration unit. Sorry about the camera here, guys. Just open them doors. This all works and does exactly as it says on the tin. I'll just show you here. I'll just start up the motor. Start to push up now. So it all works. So all in all, it's a clean and tidy little van. If you'd like to know anything else about this one or any others we have in stock, please don't hesitate to call us on 01738 447733 or visit our website at simonhorn.com. Thanks very much for watching.